In today's session, we will discuss how we can create a table by using a CSV file. Okay. Right now, I am in a data builder, data warehouse cloud. Okay. In this one, all files, you can select any of the tab. Here you can see the files tab. There is one more option. You can import option is there. And this one here we can import this CSV file, import objects from CSN or JSON file. That means the entities. I think when the last session when we create the table, there is option like export, the template or a metadata. So we can import those objects here. Okay, and here we can see import entities. If we create any entities also we can import it, and we can import remote tables. Okay, today we'll create a table by using the CSV file. Well, let me create it. Import CSV. Okay. Now it is asking upload a file. I'm just select source file and I'm going to the downloads and here I'm selecting the product and this is CSV. Open it and it is asking use first row as column header. Yes, you can enable the checkbox. And here we have like a CSV delimiter. You have multiple options like auto detect, space, tab, dot, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, and other. If you have any others, you can click other and you can set it. Right, you can give it like this, but I'm selecting auto detect because since this is a CSV and the comma separated value, so I'm selecting auto detect. Let system select decide the delimiter and upload. The data will be uploaded to the SAP Data Warehouse Cloud and you click upload. And if you see here, it's created. The data set product has been successfully created from CSV. Okay, and let me close this notification, and here we can see if you want to add customize here like a create transform. We have different transforms are available. We can create during the load from CSV to warehouse cloud, like concatenate. If you want to concatenate, we can concatenate two columns and split. For example, let's say if we have to like first name and last name and we need to concatenate that name, and you can use this concatenate word and we can concatenate the information. We have a name and we need to split like first name last name. If there is a space or comma in between them, we can use this one. And extract, we can extract some data and replace. If you want to replace some data, for example here we have 22, I don't want 22, I want to give some additional value instead of 22, then we can use this replace. And change, if you want to do some changes, yes. And filter, if you want to restrict any data, you can apply the filter option. Okay, so let me apply at least one or two for our reference. And yeah, let me drag and drop here. We will do, yes, I think I can use this one. Split, here I can use split. So if you see now, this is a common transformation, but if you want visual, here you can do it. Fully tested, fabric, solid, flexible. I can split into the four columns like product description, but okay, this is not correct. Okay, let me see. And I will do concatenation. Yes, product ID is product code. Yeah, product code and product name. We will concatenate these two with some hyphen separated. Okay, I am like I will do this like concatenate, and I will select here column one and column two. This one. Okay, column name and product code. Oh, okay. Why is not? Let me type product code using value hyphen. I will give hyphen like space in between. Here also I will give space. Okay, now it's created. Let me please ensure all merge columns are valid. Yes. First product. Oh, okay, okay. Product code, product name. Then I will type product name. Yes, I will combine this two product code and name together with using icon. Click this button. It's created. Right? Existing one we are doing. Okay. And if we don't want any more this one, here we have an option like delete. Delete it. Okay. So now we have like a product code name. I mean, if you want to rename this one, you can rename it. And here we have information. Product. You can give only product code name. Okay. So we can do it during this load. Okay. Now I think that is enough. So we can similarly we can do for others also. Now let me go and deploy it. Here we have deploy. It's asking products. I'm giving products. Same is not available, not exist, then it will create. Otherwise, it will throw an error. We will rename it accordingly. Yes, you see deployment of product successful. Okay, and here also you can see the notification deployment of the data successful, and you can see the table. If we go here, table here you can see the products. This is created this one today. Okay, and if you want to see this one, right click and add, select and edit. Here you can see the actual. Okay, maybe I selected. Okay, yes, product. Here you can see the product name and technical name. You cannot change the technical name, but here you can change the data set relational to dimension or analytical data set. Based on the data, what kind of data is storing, then we can change it. That yeah, product price, cost, everything is there. Now I'm not setting with relational data set. I'm setting like analytical data set where we have like a fact table data, like the cost and price and all that. So I changed it. Now I think already we discussed about the association where we are doing some joints. Here we can see it, and here we can option like association, text association. For example, text table joints like a text data, like and a business purpose. If you want to add some information, you can add it. And table service, and this one the in-memory storage or not in memory, and dependent objects. If you use somewhere, you can see the information where you use this. Now again I am deploying. Okay, but before that I let me save it. Needs at least one visible measure. Yes, so it's asking one visible measure. Let me go back here. I think by default all is showing like attributes, but if you want to change measures, here we have like here we can see the list of attributes tab, and here we go. So what is the measure here? Product cost. I'm just drag and drop here. It will add it here, and product price also measure, right? And here you can see product key. Okay, let me check it. What are the columns are available? Product key, product subcategory, product name, product code name. Okay, and product description, product units, product style. I think this is fine. These are attributes, and this is the measures. Now let me save it. Table saved and deploy it. Deployment is important. Deployment is nothing. Deploy is nothing but activate. Yes. So now it's one. It will become two. Old one data, the deployment was successful. Now we deployed again. We modified and deployed. Here you can see the second notification. The post deployment successful. Yes. See here you can see the deployment of product was successful. So, and here also you can see that deployed. Data editor. You go to the data editor. Must define okay key. If you want to modify the data, the key is important. Let's go here and product key is the key. Again deploy it. Okay, now I'm not saving and deploying directly. Yes, it will save and deploy it. So now here you can see store notification. I'm clearing that one. Before that it will see the one single notification. Let it clear. Yes, you see the deployment of product was successful, and here also you can see the information. Okay, so now go to the data. You can see how many records are there in the Excel CSV file, and how the loaded information here. All the information you can see. If you want, you can modify it. Okay, and if you want some extra additional column, there also you can add it. Okay, and you can save it. So now I'm going back to the table editor, like the definition of the table. So this is the table. This is how we can create a table from a CSV file. Thank you.